Each time an activity is initiated by an agent from within the PBX, we're dealing with an outgoing activity. The most frequent outgoing activity is a call, and there are several ways to make an outgoing call in Daktela, giving us an excellent opportunity to take a brief look at some other useful modules. Remember though, depending on your setup, not all of them might be available for you to use. To make a manual call, click the New Call button in the left panel above the main menu. The Call Number window will open. You can enter a name or phone number manually or choose from your contacts in the drop-down menu. Apart from choosing a specific person, you can opt to call a queue. In that case, your call will be automatically directed according to the conditions set up in that queue by your admin or team leader. Click Call and your call will start. Another place to manually start a call from is the CRM module. Open it from the main menu and go to Contacts or Accounts. The CRM module stores all your contact and account information. The top bar allows you to filter the list, search, add a new entry, export the entire list, or import new entries. You also have access to copying or deleting an entry. Clicking the column names sorts the list. The difference between a contact and an account is that a contact is usually a single person, like a specific employee or customer, whereas an account is an entity, like a company or an organization. Find the contact or account you would like to call and open the details by clicking their name. Click the phone icon next to the phone number and your call will start. Tickets work like boxes that contain activities connected to a certain topic in Daktela. They help you with task management or serve as a communications history, among other things. We'll learn more about tickets in Level 2 of the Agent course, but what's important for now is that they provide you with another way to make a manual call. To start a call from a ticket, open the Tickets module in the main menu. Open the ticket that you would like to make a call from. Click the blue phone button in the top right corner of the ticket and choose the customer's number that you would like to call, and your call will start. If you choose Other Number from the drop-down menu, the Call Number window will open. You're already familiar with this view from the manual call part of this lesson. If your ticket contains past calls, you can also call from one of those. Simply click the Call button here and your call will start. In order to call from a missed activity notification in the static panel, hover over the Missed button. Click Missed Activities to open them, then click the Call button to start your call. It will open in a new tab, just like an incoming activity. Click the red Call button to open a list of actions available to you. Click the Call tab to see the call details. Click it again to return to the previous screen. The Call Details screen may contain different widgets set up in a different order, the Current Activities widget being the only mandatory one, in this case, the Phone widget. Now that you're familiar with all core modules of Daktela, we can go over widgets in more detail.